Hey guys, today we're gonna make my favorite budget-friendly Parmesan crusted salmon in a wine sauce. I'm gonna bring you guys a little closer so you guys can see the ingredients we're gonna need today. Okay, for ingredients, you're going to need some salmon. This is a salmon fillet. This is about 3 pounds. You're also gonna need some Parmesan cheese. This is freshly grated, but store-bought is also fine. You're gonna need some breadcrumbs, some mustard. You're gonna need a lemon and 1 single bouillon cube, along with some milk, white wine. I'm gonna be using a Dark Horse Sauvignon Blanc. I would typically gravitate towards a drier Sauvignon Blanc, but that's the only one my liquor store had. Pinot Grigio works just fine. If you rather not cook with wine, you could also use a seafood broth, or you can use a chicken broth. So along with the wine, you're gonna need some heavy whipping cream. You're also going to need some Worcestershire sauce, some butter, and a few seasonings. So we'll take you over here, and you're going to need some salt, some pepper, some garlic powder, some rosemary, a little bit of tarragon, some basil, and some oregano. So we're going to put some breadcrumbs. Okay. So typically I eyeball this, but I would put correct measurements below in the description box for you guys. That's a little hot. Okay, mix that in. And we're going to add a little bit more seasoning. So we're going to go with a little bit of garlic powder, about half a teaspoon. A little bit of basil, about half a teaspoon as well, half a teaspoon of rosemary, and a pinch of oregano. And we're going to just mix this all in. And you could always add more cheese or less cheese, whatever you prefer. I'm going to just add a little bit more cheese. Okay, so this is what the breadcrumbs and Parmesan butter and seasoning should look like. I also just dabbled a little bit of olive oil on the salmon just so it sticks. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the breadcrumb and you're just going to put it, you're going to just lay it on the salmon. Lay it on the salmon. And you're going to press down to make sure it sticks to the salmon. Just gently. You don't want to tear the salmon apart. Use a little bit on the edge. Okay, I'm also going to just drizzle a little bit more cheese. We love cheese in my household. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of tarragon. I find tarragon and salmon go amazing together. And let me bring you closer so you can see what he looks like. Okay, so we're gonna get our pan nice and hot.
That's good.
And we're gonna add some butter. Let that melt. We're gonna add some flour. We're going to do 1 cup of milk. To try to whisk all the lumps of flour. Okay. I like my sauces thick, so I'm going to add a little bit more flour. Again, correct measurements will be in the description box. I just like eyeballing it. I'm gonna add some cream. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit more cream. so we're gonna do 1/4 cup of wine. Add the bouillon cube. All right. Okay, so we're only gonna do half of that cube, since we already put half of the other one in there. Let's whisk that together. Of Worcestershire sauce. And we can't forget the Dijon mustard. Well, this is stone mustard, but I don't have any Dijon on hand, so that's what I will be using today.
That's good.
Add a little bit more of this guy. And we're gonna add a little bit more mustard. And just let this thicken up a little bit. Okay guys, and that is the final look. So I'm serving it with some roasted broccoli and a side salad.